will learn about before and after numbers 1 to 10. What is the number that comes after 1? If your answer is 2, correct. What number comes after 3? It's 4. Number that comes after 6? It's 7. Number that comes after 9 is 10. Number that comes after 7 is 8. Number before 5 is 4. Number before 2 is 1. Number before 4 is 3. Number before 8 is 7. Number before 8 is 7. Number 8 is 9. Number before 4 is 3. Number after 4 is 5. Number before 7 is 6. Number after 7 is 8. Number before 9 is 8. Number after 9 is 10. Number before 2 is 1. Number after 2 is 3. Number before 5 is 4. After 5 is 6. Number before 3 is 2. After 3 is 4. Number before 6 is 5. After 6 is 7. Good job! You can download it for free. Link at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!